can see lights everywhere on demand. That's the battery system. That's the control center. That's the switching center. Quite a professional setup. And it's sitting on the attic. Let's turn off the electricity. Everything works normal. Oops, it's dark. We'll turn on some lights. Sorry. This is a controller that's going to get installed on the wall or here somehow. But this is what runs everything. And come with me outside. We're gonna show you the panels. Let's turn on some lights. Obviously, we installed a self-control system. This switches everything. If I don't want to use the power from solar at all, those two controls. And this bank that you're about to see, I don't know if you can see it up there. That's a solar bank. That's a complete bank of 10 units, 545 each. So we now are independent of the system, and as you can see, the whole village doesn't have electricity, but we got lights everywhere. Congratulations, Independence Day from electricity. Actually, it's marked down in the bottom in the cement. This is our house lit with solar power.